and maps. So this is how I do things. When I say I boss all day, I don't know if everybody understands exactly how I create what I create. I've got an important meeting coming up to show my entire empire to somebody about aligning and connecting all the businesses meeting into the same funnel. Heavy stuff. I invite you to witness how I am going to merge my real estate with my personal growth mindset. And this will all tie together because by the grace of God, I found a way to put them together. And to be very honest, I really thought I would have to ditch one. I never used to marry until agent renovation came along.